Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Following that, you need to choose Passwords and Security, click on Face Unlock and enter your current lock and method. After that, choose Start over here, wait 5 seconds, choose Next in the pop-up and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can add name to your face data over here if you wish to and save your changes by tapping on them. After that, manage all of those Face Unlock features by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones and click Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Xiaomi. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!